John Deere, a name associated across the globe with farming and agricultural equipment for over 170 years. A name synonymous with quality, reliability and performance. John Deere extends its close relationship with India's agriculture sector with a range of products which will revolutionize post-harvesting operations. Balers and rakes, appreciated the world over, now in India. Gathering, packing and transporting crop residue after crop harvesting is a laborious and time-consuming task. Farmers often burn this valuable crop residue, leading to threefold losses. First, the direct loss to the farmer, since crop residue, if properly packed, stored and sold, is a source of additional income. Second, burning the crop residue is a safety hazard, equally damaging to the environment as it is to the farmland. Third, an important source of energy or raw material is wasted. Now, John Deere offers the perfect solution: the rake and baler system. Generating low-cost raw material for power generation and cogeneration in sugar plants, raw material for paper plants and fodder for the dairy industry. The heavy-duty wheel rake WR1008. Manual raking can never gather the high volumes of straw required to make mechanized baling a viable proposition. Its 8 wheels efficiently gather more crop residue into bigger windrows for quicker drying and easier baling, and its wider working width, up to 15 foot, covers more acres per hour. This adjustable wheel rake has several efficiency-enhancing features. The hydraulically operated mechanism enables raising and lowering the rake frames while in motion, right from the tractor operating station. The rake's shock-absorbing springs provide smoother operation over rough and uneven terrain. These are adjustable to vary rake wheel down pressure. Field adjustments can be made quickly and easily. Each model folds to less than 3.3 meter width for easy transport and convenient storage. The lock pins keep the rake frames in position during transport. Introducing for the first time in India, a baler with an auger system and many distinctive features. The proven constant flow crop control system ensures maximum pickup of crop residue, collects more material in each pickup operation. 156 teeth spaced just 6.1 centimeter apart effectively handle even short straw or grass. Larger picking width results in a wider pickup area, which ensures faster operation and larger area coverage. India's first baler with auger system ensures continuous feeding of material for uniform bale formation and better fuel efficiency. The continuous flow auger moves the crop into a tapered chamber, which makes the bales denser and more consistent. 76 centimeter long plunger head stroke and faster plunger head speed ensure optimum bale shape and density. Heavier flywheel than any other baler ensures higher fuel efficiency and greater durability of the shear bolt. Gear-driven knotting system. 8 twine boxes of plastic twines can be loaded at a time. Each set knots 9,500 bales at the rate of 10 kg per bale, reduces the need for frequent refilling and saves time. An optional feature is the bale counter meter for accurate counting of the bales produced. A single rake can feed the capacities of 5 balers, which means that the baler and rake system bales 250 bales per hour, amounting to 25 to 30 tons of straw neatly baled per day, ready for transport to their destination. The balers and rakes are sold and serviced by authorized John Deere dealers all over India, backed up by the reliable John Deere after-sales support. The inventory of critical parts is managed by the centrally located Parts Distribution Centre at Pune. The baler and rake system continues the John Deere tradition of integrity, quality, commitment and innovation in agricultural engineering solutions. For more information, please contact your nearest John Deere dealer or area office or visit our website at www.johndeere.co.in.